Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to connect Airtable with Make.com. So I'm actually logged into Make.com and this is the dashboard. All you want to do is come to the top right and click on Create a New Scenario. Okay, and then what we need to do is search for Airtable right here. Type in Airtable. There we go. This is verified. Okay, go ahead and click on it. Now you can see the different things we can do with the records, right? You can scroll down. We can also make API calls. So whatever it is you wanted to do, let's say you wanted to bulk create records. This is an advanced feature. If you're new to these integrations, setting up triggers and things like that, I suggest you go for something more simple. Let's say creating a new record in Airtable, okay? Now, once we click on this, we have to create a connection. So you need to come here, click on create a connection, and you need to choose your connection type. So it's either with an Airtable token or key or Airtable OAuth. So come here, authorization, and click on save. And it will give you a pop-up where you basically have to log in, okay, to your Airtable account. Or, of course, if you don't want to do this authorization using login in, you can change it to the API one. But basically, once you connect, you can go ahead and have your scenario inputs, outputs, right? Set, schedule things. You can do it to run it once or every 15 minutes, for example. But basically, it's really that easy to connect it. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.